Okay, it's recording.
Hi everyone. Today I'll be the Scrum Master, and the data engineers will be me and Michael, and the data visualization team is, of course, Mayaz and Kainat. So in today's agenda, we have to update on visuals. So, let me check. Update on visuals. All right. So review designs with end users. Kainat.
Yeah,
So how's that?
I checked in with the end users, our clients, and they approved of the results. So, and they liked it. So I think we can move this now to the completed, which is
All right. Just put it there. Hold on, where do you go?
It's at the bottom, I think. You can scroll down.
Yeah, it's at about. Yeah, you can scroll down through that.
All right. So, were there any obstacles in that end when the end users?
No, the talk went pretty straightforward. It was good.
Secondly, create visuals for financial performance. Mayaz and Kaina. Okay, so tell me how that went. Any obstacles that you faced? How did it go?
I'll share for the financial performance, and then Mayaz will share for the cash position. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you answer?
So you guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So this is one of our tabs for the financial performance. This is our income statement. And I put down all the revenue, the overall revenue that we made, the cost of goods sold, gross profit and everything. The net profit over time is over here, and the revenue of cost over time over here. These are all the expenses, general, and then these are the total revenues for the month of September. Now I just need to add like a couple more visuals just to make it, complete. I think I'll get done with it soon. I just need a little help because it's kind of confusing and the values I'm just not getting the ones I want. So
Right.
there's just a little more work to do on this.
Right.
Could
you pinpoint what exactly is the problem?
Yeah,
Could you pinpoint what exactly is the problem?
Yeah, I need to get the net profit margin and the gross profit margin. So there's certain calculations for it. It's quite straightforward, the calculation. However, I'm unable to get the values for it, and I don't know how to calculate it on Power BI. So we just need to figure that out. Like, it won't take long, but you just need to get it figured out once, and then the work is complete.
All right. So in terms of help, we can, Michael and I could help you with that, as well as Mayaz if he completes his task in time as well. So let's, so Mayaz.
I'll stop sharing now.
Yeah, okay. I'll just share my screen. Okay, can you guys see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so essentially this is the cash movements tab, and over here we have the opening balance, the total opening balance, total closing balance, total cash received, and cash spent. Then what else? The thing we also needed to add was cash movements over time, which we have on this graph on the right, and opening and closing balance over time, which is in this graph. And we also needed to add two tables, account receivable and accounts payable, which I have already added. And we have also the date slicer here, which can, like if you move the date around, it will, it's just a bit laggy, but it will change the values. So you can just check any date you want and from any time, and it will change some of the values.
All right.
So essentially, that is it. But the one issue I had was with accounts payable, and I am not quite sure how to get the correct value, because as you can see, if I move it, sometimes it just gets to 0. See, it will just go back to 0. And I feel like there is an issue there, and I will try to figure it out by today. And if any help would be appreciated on that. But that is the main issue here. Everything else is okay. It's just this accounts payable table.
All right. So just like I told Kana, we can all help each other because like in that way we can execute it fast, get the job done.
Yeah.
So in terms of that. So I guess in terms of that, we're done. So let's assign tasks to one another. All right, let me share screen. Okay, so for these ones, let me see. So create visuals for cash position. Since we need additional help, I can put my name over here. And for create visuals for financial performance, I can put Michael's name here.
Yeah, yeah.
Then we
Okay.
have additional help.
Yeah, that would be very appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you. Also, I wanted to add one more thing. Like, you might be worried that our layout for the things is separate because Mayaz and I work separately on it. So I just wanted to clear that out,
Yeah.
that later when we're going to finalize our the financial performance tab, before sending it to our end user, we're going to fix on one particular theme and then we're going to work with that. There won't be separate themes and stuff.
Yeah, we're planning to just merge it and it will just be on one document,
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
including the invoices tab, of course, which we're going to
All right.
discuss about later.
So now we're looking at the backlog. So creating the invoice tab, I could do that. Me and Michael could do that
Yeah, yeah.
together. So let me just edit that. All right, let me just move that tab. What about the operating profit margin tab? Have we?
Yeah, I have to add it under my financial performance. So I think you can just remove this tab, and on the create visual for financial performance tab, just add in OPM, just plus
All right.
OPM.
Sounds good.
Because this comes under income statement anyway, so I just add it over there. It's not a whole separate tab,
All
it's
right.
just a visual.
So I'll just put it in brackets. So do you want me to add it as a whole thing?
No, just
All right.
OPM would be fine.
All right then. So that puts us at the current working phase. So what do you think about the time taken for our current working tabs? Do you think we'll be able to finish it before the final stand-up, or will there be any more lags?
I think we can finish it because Mayaz and I, we just have tiny problems. We can finish it on time, and the rest, it depends on you guys on your invoice tab, whether you can execute it within time. And if it's going to be okay for you guys, then I think we can be done with it in around 2 days.
Yeah,
Sure.
So probably I and Tejita could finish the invoice tab within a day or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it should be fine.
Once we're done with the invoice tab, we can immediately help you guys with any problems, any lags that you guys have, so we could get it done. Yes. So are we finalized thoughts?
Yeah, sounds okay to me.
Yeah, sounds
What
good to
else
me
is
too.
there? Hold on. All right. So since we've done assigning tasks, let's get at it then. Let's work towards the final stand-up and get the task done.
Yeah.
All right then.
Yeah,
All right.
I think that's
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.